Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Christina here from A Life Well Documented, and today I'm going to be doing my first plan with me. Well, my first recorded plan with me. So I've got my planner, I've got a couple of sticker books that I have been using frequently. I've kind of gotten myself in a bit of a rut with the way I've been laying out my weekly spreads over the last couple of months. But I would love to hear from you and what you do when you find yourself in a rut and you find yourself following the same kind of habits or the same kind of style when you're laying out your weekly spreads. So comment below and let me know how you get yourself out of the ruts when you fall into a rut. So I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. So this is kind of the same basic functionality that I've been doing the last couple of months in my planner. I have a couple of decorative boxes. I've got some little titles depending on what's going on. Down here, I love using this as my tracker for the different things that I track. And the other reason that I've been doing it kind of this way is with these sticker collections, like especially this one, or like Color Story. This is a really good layout, and I basically use the entire sheet. So I'll flip through here. So here's, you know, a sheet from a previous month, and my goal is to try to use the entire sheet. I bought a lot of these sticker books when I first got my Happy Planner, and they are great, but I went overboard, so I have way too many stickers and way too many sticker books, so I'm trying to use them all up. Alright, so here are the 2 pages, and I've got the 2 sticker books. I call them Stickers 1 and Stickers 2, but they're kind of, even though this isn't Color Story, I think of it as kind of a Color Story type book. And then I do have the Color Story book. So I know one of these has a patriotic, a very like, I think it's in the other book. Yeah, it's in the other book. A very 4th of July kind of, where it's just all monochrome. Yeah, so let's go ahead and use that other book. And I don't know if you guys do this. I see some people putting just ties in these. I had a bunch of these little rings from other projects, so I just decided to use those up to kind of hold these together. So somewhere in here there is a red, white, and blue. There's actually a couple of them. Here we go. See, this to me, this looks very patriotic. So I'm not sure which one. I think I might want to use this one because it is a little more red, white, and blue, or a little more red balanced, whereas the other one is a little heavier on the blues. There is another up here that I use those at Christmas because I like the teal and the red, the alternative holiday colors. Yeah, so I thought about using that one, but I think I'm going to go ahead and use this because this is very, actually not that one, the one before this, is very patriotic. So yeah, I'm going to use this one. So what I am going to do is I usually start with the large boxes and then do the trackers down at the bottom, but I think I'm going to do it a little different, and I'm going to start with weekend plans. I don't think I'm going to have any this weekend, but I'm still going to put the sticker down because you never know. I am single, so I might get lucky and I might have a date this weekend. And then I'm going to do the this week up at the front here, and I'm going to do that over here as kind of a, you know, things I need to accomplish this week, because I do have some very specific things. I'm starting a new job in 2 weeks. I do work full-time in a corporate office type of deal since my office is closed, and so I do have a couple of things that I do need to get done this weekend in preparation for the job. So let me just go ahead and grab some of these boxes. We're going to go ahead and do box down here. let's see here. We're gonna go ahead and do the boxes. So it's definitely one thing that when I design my own stickers, which I do design my own stickers sometimes, that I like my boxes to fit completely. And then if I want to overlay something on top of it, I definitely can. So, and then I usually do normally one right there, but I think I will do that one right here, because Independence Day, with the office being closed, I have a lot of work to do with my Etsy and my YouTube and my Instagram. I've been on a kind of a sabbatical for the last few months, so I'm just kind of getting back into everything. So let's see. That evening I am going to go to watch fireworks somewhere, where I do not know yet. This week we're gonna start with some focus, and then Friday we're gonna make Friday my happy place, because Fridays are always my happy place, because I get paid on Thursdays. I get paid weekly, because right now I am working as a temp or a contractor at the company that I will be working for permanently, but I get paid every Thursday, so Fridays is my happy place. It always makes me sing the song Friday Night, Just Got Paid. I can't sing, but hey, it's a great song if y'all remember the 90s. So let life surprise you. I'm gonna put that on the weekend because I'm hoping that there will be some surprises this weekend. And then I'm gonna trim this down a little bit. I like taking these stickers and trimming them down sometimes. So sometimes I'll either trim off the tops to make them flat, or the bottoms, but that one I'm gonna trim like that. And today is the day. Where do I want to put you? I'm going to put you on Friday because I have a lot to do Friday night, so in preparation for the weekend. And Sunday I always have stuff I need to do around the house, so we're going to add some, actually let's do that on Saturday, because Saturday I need to get my hair cut and colored in preparation for the new job, so I cannot forget calling the gal who colors my hair and making my appointment. So, and then some of these others I just kind of sprinkle them in. So Wednesday, can I use noted? You know what, I'll do that for Sunday as kind of a make note of the week. And then like a boss, that is definitely going to be kind of like a cover both bets, but I'll put that down in a minute because I want to get these trackers down. So, and like I said, I love using these down here. This bottom section is really like my go-to. How well did I do this week or this day on staying on track with my sleep schedule. My work schedule is really unique right now, and I work 5:30 to 2, so I literally have to go to bed before the sun goes down so I can get my 8 hours of sleep, which is kind of frustrating and weird, but hey, it is what it is right now, and I'm loving this schedule because I have plenty of time in the afternoon to do stuff, run errands after I get off work, and plenty of time for, you know, me time, or if I need to work on something in the shop, or, and you know, traffic's great at that time of day too. So, ooh, that's totally crooked. One day I'll give you guys a tour of my desk. I have one of those rotating desk organizers from Michaels over on the side of my desk. I am really big into scrapbooking, and so I have my punch, my chomper, and I have my ATG and all that kind of stuff over there. So, but yeah, one day I'll give you guys a tour. Give you guys an office tour once I get it cleaned up, because it is a disaster right now. So, all right, let me do this because these little guys, ooh, and there's a lot of blue ones. These little guys are not necessarily the easiest to place. So, and on Fridays, I do 5, one for each of the normal things I track during the week. But then on the weekends, I don't do as many, partially because these sheets don't have enough banners, which actually, they're not going to coordinate. I just printed some red, white, and blue. Where did I put them? That is the question. All right, so yeah, after I came back, I guess I didn't hit the record button, so the whole last part of my plan with me did not get recorded. So I basically tried to use up all the stickers that I had, cut off the bottom here, layered it here. I covered up Thursday with Love This because I get paid every Thursday and the office is closed, which is always a bonus. Now, as a temporary worker, I don't get the paid holiday for this, but that's okay. In a couple of weeks, when I become a permanent employee, I will have paid holidays, so it'll be great. So I added the little journaling sticker over here by Noted. I ran out of the trackers that were on the sheet, so I pretty much used everything on the sheet with the exception of a couple of these, which I might use after I go back and do after the pen. But what I did was I'd created a couple of tracker sheets for just general productivity. I wanted to do like Independence Day colors, and I was gonna try to get them up in the shop before 4th of July, but that didn't happen. So I just took this kind of sandy colored one and put it over here. So that is my plan with me for the week. I'm gonna get these in my planner and get my little clip that I made on my planner, and I'll be back with you in just a moment. All right, so there we go. So I have my pages in my planner. I have my little star over here that I created, and yeah, I'm ready to go. So now I can go ahead and do all my writing and everything, but I just wanted to share this quick plan with me video. Well, I guess it wasn't that quick, but I wanted to share this plan with me video with you guys. Again, I would love to hear in the comments down below, when you guys get stuck in this kind of rut like I have, where, you know, if you look at this week compared to this week, It's extremely similar in the fact that, you know, how I alternate my boxes, what I do with other stickers, this whole bottom section. So I would love to hear what you guys do to break yourselves out of this kind of rut when you get into this type of pattern where you're finding that your layouts look the same every week. As always, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. If you want to see more Plan With Me's, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to hit that bell so you can get notifications when I add new videos. So thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have a wonderful Independence Day. Bye.